Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody is having a great week and are being safe. We're almost at the weekend. These weeks are flying by. So tonight, me and my daughter is having some stuffed peppers. The filling that I had from the zucchini boats, I still had a lot of it left. So I figured tonight I'll make me some stuffed peppers. My daughter said she wanted some. And I did have some dry filling that I did not mix with cream cheese, sour cream, and the sausage. So I gave her some of the dry with the inside of zucchini and cauliflower that was chopped up, and some red peppers. And then I put some Mexican cheese inside hers. And then once they cook through for a little bit, I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on the top of them. So, and then this is the filling that I had left that has sausage, cauliflower, and mozzarella cheese in the filling. I still have a little bit left that I can use. So these are stuffed peppers with the leftover fillings that was from the zucchini boats yesterday. So here goes the peppers. I didn't put the cheese on mine yet because I'm not eating right now. I drank my fatty keto coffee, and it normally keeps me satisfied for hours. So whenever I start to get hungry, you know, my dinner will be ready. I've just got to fix my lamb chops. So this is the vegetarian stuffed pepper, and this is the low carb keto stuffed pepper. So for dinner, I have these lamb chops. I found them at Safeway. These are grass fed. I love lamb chops. This is the nutrition on it. And then I'm having my stuffed pepper. And I think this is almond flour. I'm not sure if it's almond or coconut. It has some type of smell to it. It smells good. So I have both. I just forgot to label which one was almond and which one was coconut. Yeah. But I'm going to season it up with my seasonings. Probably, and then I'm going to coat them with this, a little bit of that flour, either coconut or almond. I can't be sure which one. So that's what I'm having for dinner. So we'll be back. So hello, this is another keto friendly meal. This is I think this is like some type of sliced up steak, ribeye. I'm not sure what it is, but basically I put some olive oil in the pan, seasoned it up with my seasonings, stir fried it, then I put some Worcestershire sauce on it, a little bit of A1. You don't have to add the A1 sauce if you don't want to. I stir fried the onions and peppers separately in another pan with some olive oil and seasonings, which is pink Himalayan sea salt, adobo, all seasoning, and pepper. And mixed it up, and then they're gonna have it over some rice. So I'm having stuffed peppers, and so I'm not gonna share this, but this would be a good fajita idea, or tacos, street tacos type of idea, or if you just want to put it over some cauliflower rice, either mashed or regular rice. That's my microwave going off with their rice from Trader Joe's. And yeah, so this is another good keto option. And just once everything is cooked, just stir it up together, pan saute it for a minute longer, and voila, you have a great steak meal. Yeah. So it's dinner time. It is 10:17, and I'm gonna have this, my yogurt and fruit, and my pistachios, and hopefully I could call it a night. I did break my fast earlier, about maybe 2:30, with a fatty keto coffee. I am hungry now, so that coffee really do curb my appetite for a very long time. Hopefully my mind ain't wired though, and I can go to sleep at a decent time, because I do got a bit of a busy day tomorrow. It's back to the dentist just so they can look at my mouth to make sure everything is going right, which I think it is. And then I'm going to get my hair washed and retwisted. So that's that. So this is my dinner. Peace. Hope y'all enjoy it. And actually, these are lamb chops, grass-fed lamb chops. And then these are one stuffed pepper. I just cut them in half with the stuffing I had for my zucchini boats. Last night I just used the same stuffing, just put mozzarella cheese over the top of it. So, and then this is the Faye yogurt with some lemon juice in it, some Boca sweetener, 6 blackberries, and a handful, about an ounce of blueberries. So that is it. Peace. And Thursday, here we come. I want to show y'all, your girl don't be playing. I eat my food. I sucks on my bones. I still got some flavor in it. Yeah, yes. I ate both of my stuffed peppers. I was hungry. Now I'm about to eat my yogurt. It has blueberries and blackberries in it. Right there. Then after I eat that, I'm gonna eat my pistachios. And then I'm good. So I just wanted to come show y'all. Y'all think I'll be probably not gonna eat all my food. Oh, I eat all my food. Everything I put on my plate, even if it takes me an hour and a half to eat it, or eating it slow as my food digests. But I eat it. So this was on the money. So y'all have a good night, good day, wherever you are. Peace. Hello, hello, happy Thursday. Oh, it's been a long day for me. I went and got my hair done. I went grocery shopping. I came home. I cooked, fixed my dinner. Yay! I did buy these from Panda Expresses. They're super greens. This is boneless skirt steak with peppers and onions. I stir fried on the stove. They came out pretty good. I fixed it yesterday for my sons. And so I said, you know what? I didn't eat that. I had a stuffed pepper. So I said, I'm going to fix me some today. So, yeah, I don't got much to talk about. I'm just hungry. I'm ready to eat. I've been fasting since yesterday. It's 10:27. So about 10:30, I'm about to break my fast now. And just relax and go from there. So I will talk to you later. Peace. Hey, happy Friday. This week went by quick. So tonight dinner is tacos, beef tacos. I got all my little toppings, guacamole, some green onions, some regular onions, some tomatoes, lemon limes, sour cream, and then my yogurt with blueberries and blackberries, a little white cheddar cheese, and my Carb Smart tortillas. I have one whole one and then a half of one. So this is dinner on a Friday night. It's 10:36. I broke my fast earlier today about 7 o'clock with a protein fruit smoothie. And so now I'm gonna eat this, stay up for a couple of hours, and then get into bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Happy Saturday, everybody. So I broke my fast probably about 4 o'clock. I had some pistachios. So I probably have 2 meals today, one later on. But right now I found a bakery that sold keto bread. It's actually a keto bakery. So I did try some of it, a little piece of it, toasted with some butter. It was decent. Probably the best I'm gonna get. But I have a ham sandwich here with some onion, lettuce, and tomato. I toasted my keto bread on the oven and on the stove and some butter, both sides. And then I put my keto mayo. I got my barbecue pork rinds here, my mango, and then my collagen pills, the white one, my vitamin D3 pills, and then these are chlorella pills. And then I got my Virgil's vanilla cream soda. It's decent. It's no sugar. So basically it's 14 grams of carb, but when you take off the erythritol, it's 0. So yeah, that's it. So this is I'm having a late lunch right here. Ham and cheese sandwich. I mean, no cheese, ham sandwich. And pork rinds are keto. These are, I don't think they have any carbs. If it do, it's really, really low. And low calories as well. So pork rinds are keto. And that's it. Hope everybody enjoys their weekend. And until next time, peace. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope everybody had a great weekend and stay safe. I'm here with dinner. I don't even know why I fixed this for myself because I'm really not hungry and my stomach is a little bit uneasy. But I try to just pick at it and eat what I can. So I have some pan-seared cod, a wedge salad, my 5J yogurt with some peaches and blueberries. I have a stuffed pepper with cheese, spinach, cauliflower, zucchini, diced up, little red pepper with some Munster cheese melted over it. And then I got this keto dessert from this bakery I went to on Friday. So we're going to see how it tastes. But this is it. Sunday night. Y'all take care. And I'll see y'all on Monday. Deuces.